Yes, but it will hit
It will
because
be
we
hit.
work hard at that movie.
Confidence, confidence. Because whenever you smile, your teeth are so white. They want to know.
No, no. Of course, we use
It will be
Colgate.
promotion. It will be promotion of Colgate. If you
Colgate.
Colgate, you should change it. It's not working. I was just pulling your leg. कहाँ थे ये कैरेक्टर अभी देखो एनर्जी लानी पड़ती है ऐसे अंदर से. Hello and welcome to the Spreading Show. So in this show today I am going to call some famous personalities. As you know, our show is totally dependent on the skill development. Like we interview the person who is famous for their skills. And today we have some very talented actress. She is known for the title Bebo. I think you all guessed right. Today I'm going to call Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan to our show. Please welcome Kareena Kapoor Khan. Yes, more energy, more. Hello, Kareena. Welcome to our show. Welcome to our show. Please take your seat. And today we have another special guest, Miss Kajol. Actually, they both are here for their upcoming movie. So I want that they will disclose the name of their movie. I'm not going to say whatever they are going to promote. So, which movie are you going to promote? Like.
So we promote our movie. The first movie was Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, and that was a very hit movie at that time. That's why we released Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum 2.
Two. Okay. So, I'm not going to ask about the movie and all, but I will ask something different. But firstly, I want to know something about the movie. That what kind of movie is it? Is it a family movie or a drama or a comedy or a kind of horror or something like that?
No, it's all about a family movie.
Family movie.
Yeah, it's based on a connection which we feel to family members.
But do you think that like nowadays people they love action movies and they
Yes,
love
yes, we
drama,
know.
they don't
No,
love
no.
that family kind of show.
No, but
so do you think that will it be hit or it will be
it
flop?
will be hit because
Confidence.
but because our first movie Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum was too hit at that time movie.
But that was 90s era. Today we are living in
No,
Gen
no.
Z's era.
Yes, but it will hit because
will be
we
hit.
work hard at that movie.
Confidence. So Kajol, are you also in this movie?
Yes, I'm also in this movie.
So what's your role? Are you going to play the role of Shah Rukh Khan's wife again?
Yes.
So Shah Rukh Khan will also be in this movie.
Yes. It
So will you be mom and dad?
again, yes.
Again,
Yeah,
like
will be mom and dad again.
I think now you all are like Shah Rukh Khan and you will be old in this movie. You will play the role of Rekha. No, what? Amitabh Bachchan and that Jaya Bachchan. Jaya, I forgot the name. Actually, in that movie, she used to just go for the ties.
Yes.
So will you play the same character?
Yes. She
Oh,
plays
so
me.
will you be the daughter of that Shah Rukh Khan?
Yes.
Oh,
Adopted daughter.
adopted daughter.
Yeah. In this movie, she is my elder sister. I'm his.
So
I'm
it
her
is like
younger.
same. Are you going to remake the same movie? Oh, boring movie.
But a lot of actors and a lot of things are changed in this movie.
Oh, I think we
Yeah.
should watch that
It is
movie.
dramatic movie.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, forget about the movie and all. I wanna ask some questions which people want to know about you all.
Okay. You can ask.
Which paste do you use for brushing your teeth? Because whenever you smile, your teeth are so white. They want to know.
No. Of course, we use.
It will be promotion. It will be promotion of Colgate if you say like that.
Yes.
No, don't. They haven't paid us.
No. But which I use, I told you only that. I use Colgate.
Colgate, you should change it. It's not working. I was just pulling your leg.
I'm never coming.
Kajol, I want to know that who gave you name Kajol? Are you the Kajal one? What's the story behind your name?
Yeah, my mother gave me this name,
Mhm.
and
So do you like this name? It's
Yeah.
like Kajol, Kajal, Kala.
yeah, I like my name.
Oh,
And I don't know there is behind this any story.
there is no story
Yeah,
behind
there
that
is
name.
no story.
So I think you all are rich. You married to Ajay Devgan. He is also rich. And you also married to Nawab,
Yes.
Saif Ali Khan. So you both are rich. So I want to know that what's your plan? Like, are you going to give all that money to me or something you have? Audience? They also want your money. So what are you going to do with your money and with your legacy?
What are you doing? All the money of this show.
I haven't decided. I will
Oh.
distribute to the poor people after some time. If I get any poor.
I already distribute the poor people in the COVID.
But, I didn't get anything.
Donate
Oh, he didn't get it.
money.
Oh, you donated money. I didn't get it. Where were you distributing?
You are not
in the
poor.
COVID.
Oh.
Next
So,
time, pick your location.
so what's your favorite fruit? Do you take fruits?
Yes.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Mango?
Yes.
Which mango? There are a lot of mango.
Raw
Nagpuri
mango. Raw mango.
Raw mango? No, I'm asking about the species of mango.
Nagra mango, the same as mango. Chausa mango. Alfonso.
No,
Yeah.
I only know a raw mango, kacha mango.
Kacha mango.
Yes.
Oh. Actually, like I have seen a lot of ads, like you were promoting some hotels from,
Yes, sometime.
and you were promoting some. No, your husband promotes Vimal. Actually, I want to ask some question to Kajol. Okay. I think I heard from so many people that your husband takes tobacco, like he takes gutka, and he promotes gutka also. What would you like to say about it? Don't you stop your husband?
I think it's related to the professional, and it's only an ad. So
Doesn't he take?
no, he doesn't take.
How do you know?
Then
Yeah,
why
I
does he
know.
promote?
Yeah, if he doesn't take, then why does he promote? And you don't take sugar, then why do you promote fruity?
So, can I ask one question?
Yes, please.
Yeah. You also promote
What?
Ludo.
Ludo.
Yes, you promote Ludo.
But I play Ludo.
What
I
do you
play.
say about that?
I play Ludo. Do you take fruity?
Yes, I take fruity.
Okay, please
Not bad,
bring fruity. One fruity. Take it. Let's take it. Give
After
me-
shooting. After
No,
shooting,
no.
I'll take.
In front of camera, you should take. Take that fruity.
No, no. After shooting, I'll take.
It means you are lying. Actually, I want to expose these celebrities. See, these celebrities are too fake. They promote all the brands, like they promote sugar, chocolates, but they don't take. On screen, in front
But
of
you
camera,
are-
they take, but off screen, they avoid it.
No,
They don't
but
take
you
sugar
also
also.
didn't
They
play
don't
Ludo.
take carbs, they don't take junk food, they don't go to any restaurant, but they promote.
No. I eat junk food. Who
You
said
eat
I
junk
didn't
food.
eat?
What's your favorite junk food?
Momo.
Momo?
Yes.
Where do you take? From where do you take momos?
Baap re baap.
Baap re baap?
Baap re baap. It's a restaurant name.
Baap re baap. उनका
Yes.
बाप रे बाप?
Yeah.
Oh.
They provides junk food in a healthy way.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, so could you please share an incident in which you got embarrassed? Have you ever got embarrassed in public or anywhere? Kajol?
Yes, when I was starting, when I was coming in the
यहाँ पकड़ के दे दो.
yeah, when I was coming in the shows,
Uh-huh.
in my first time, my journey was start firstly. So in the dramas, I was feeling so embarrassed because it's start to journey. So
So you started your journey, so you were feeling embarrassed.
yeah, I will
Did you
feel.
belong to village that you were feeling embarrassed?
I was feeling embarrassed many times, but I work hard quietly
Oh.
and believe in myself. So
Okay.
that's why I'm here in front of you.
Like hard work always pays off. Now we have result that hard work always
I
pays
am a
off.
very big fan of Kajol.
Yeah, me too. Like you did a lot of great work in your life. Like I know about some good qualities of Kajol, that she helps the poor people and the needy one also. She has donated a lot of money. I was kidding earlier, but you are doing great job. Please appreciate. So, Miss Nawabi Sahiba. What should we call, like after
Babe.
marriage?
Babe.
Should we call you like Kareena Khan?
Karina Saif Ali Khan.
Kareena.
Oh.
Oh. So Miss Kareena Saif Ali Khan.
Yes.
Like, are you planning to divorce Saif
Why I planned your
for the alimony?
No. I never think about that.
Hmm. So tell me something about your son Taimur. Taimur?
Taimur Ali Khan.
Yeah. I forget the name of the celebrity's kid.
But you know yours.
Nobody forgets their kid.
Lalu Prasad did.
So, will you make him actor or will you make him something else? What's your plan?
No. Which he want to make. He want to become.
Hmm.
I'll give him full chance.
Full chance.
Yes. To
Oh.
make whatever he wants to
So,
become.
if he wants to be teacher like me, so will you allow him?
It depend on his father, not me.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. So, will you not support your kid?
No, I'll support. Who said I'll not support? I'll
Uh,
support.
Okay, so thank you for coming to our show. We enjoyed talking to you guys. So you both are great, and we hope that your movie will be hit in future.
Yes.
Okay, it will cross 1,000 crores, and you can donate 500 crores to me also.
Of course.
So okay, so see you tada in my next show. You all are invited. Till then, bye. Okay.